All right. I don't know if anybody looked at the quiz. It's pretty short tonight.
It is. That's nice. I haven't looked at it yet. I usually do, but I didn't have a chance this time. So
Yeah, it's only got 10 questions. And the first two are easy.
Pretty easy.
is the first, or so number 3, is it the direction and strength of the linear relationship?
Yep.
Yeah, that's what I have.
Okay. Yeah, the first two are always easy. That's for sure.
And the next one, if the correlation coefficient is negative when one variable increases, the other variable tends to decrease. Everybody okay with that?
Let's see, if the correlation coefficient is negative and one variable increases.
Yeah, it's okay, number
so
4, no?
Say it again.
I think
what was that, Enrique?
Okay, so this one confuses me a little bit because I know if you have like an outlier, if you have one that's an outlier and it's going the other way, it throws things off.
Yeah, but this is just...
And I know because I did the homework assignment.
Yeah.
And it had a question in there that said, it was asking if everything was going up and then one was going down, what would it do? And I answered it wrong twice. It was the only one I got wrong. So that's where I hesitate a little bit on this question.
Well, I can tell you, I'm for 100% sure it's not number 4. The other variable tends to increase because I've already submitted one time, and that was the only one I got wrong.
Oh, really?
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're saying
in the reading
tends to
we
decrease?
have that when it's negative, if one increase, the other decrease, no?
Yeah, that's what I think. That's why it's negative.
So you're saying that if the correlation coefficient is negative, when one variable increases, the other one
decreases.
Decreases?
Right.
Decreases.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll find out when we submit it here in a minute.
Yeah, that's right. The effect of the outliers on the correlation coefficient is not significant. That's false.
That is definitely false.
No.
Faithful.
All right.
Input the correlation coefficient of the Old Faithful. I did that one, and it's at 0.901.
Yeah, that's what I had.
Okay. And I know how to input that, so that's pretty easy.
What do you have?
Yeah.
0.901.
01?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, 0.901.
So which way does it go on the graph, on the scatter plot?
It would be positive.
It's positive. And is it strong?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, it is because it's 0.9.
Right.
So it's close to 1.
Right.
You said it was positive?
Yes.
Okay.
Correct us if we're wrong here, Kelly, since you've done these.
So the match the scatter plot with the correlation coefficient. So the R equals 0 is number 3.
Okay.
R equals 0.95 is number 1.
It's E.
Number 1. So no. So the R equals 0.95 is number 1.
Okay.
So A. Yeah. And then R equals. Oh, go ahead.
No, go. You can keep on going. Go ahead.
So then R equals -1 is 2.
Okay.
And then R equals -0.95 is 5.
Negative 0.95 is 5.
Right.
Okay.
And then R equals 1 is 6. And then R equals negative 0.6 is 4.
So what is it asking here? You're just lining them up?
Well, so let's just take like, so R equals, what's the easiest one? So R equals 1. So we know R equals 1 is a positive, strong linear coefficient, right? So you're looking for a scatter plot going positive and up and to the right. So number 1 is the most, in a line. So that would be a number 1.
Hold on just 1 second, because I don't know if mine line up that way.
Mine are looking different.
Mine are different too.
Me too.
Number one,
really?
number 1 is the strongest, but it would be R equals 1 would be number 1 for me.
That's what I have.
Huh.
Yeah, that's weird. So what's weird is, okay, so it goes in order. So the order you went in, Kelly, was like totally scattered for me.
Yeah.
Oh, that's weird.
Yeah, that's why I was like, I was bouncing back and forth. I was like, where is he going with this? But I just kept on bouncing back and forth to see if I could figure it out.
Well, this is what I had.
Yeah, what
Go
did you
ahead.
have, Bob?
I had, okay, the first one, R equals a -1 is 4.
Oh yeah, mine, hold on. Mine's different too. Because my first one is R equals negative 0.6.
Okay.
I think we're gonna all have to be different on this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're all gonna have
That's what it looks like.
we're all gonna have to do our own on this one. The dirty dogs, they got us.
I know. Finally,
So
they tricked us.
do you have letters in the charts?
Yeah, there's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, or E, F.
Yeah.
Yeah, E, F.
Maybe we can match with the letters.
Oh, maybe.
Let's try that. Okay, so what's your first one, Jake?
Mine is negative 0.6.
This is letter F for you.
Let's see. So I know the negatives going down, the tighter it is, the closer it is to 1, right?
Right.
Right.
So the negative 1 for me, so R equals -1 would be D for me.
Okay. Yes, me too.
Would be B.
Is that right? No, D as in dog.
Okay, that would be for me, that would be the -1.
Yeah, that's right. That's the same with me.
Yes.
Okay.
So that's so D, that's number 4 for me though.
Yeah,
Okay.
that is for me too.
It is.
Yeah.
What the?
Okay, which one do you want to do next?
So, well, I'm trying to figure out the negative 0.6. This quiz is driving me insane. I cannot like navigate this because it shows like a teeny little thing. It's driving me nuts.
The -0.6, I think would, at least on mine, would be 6. Which
Would be number 6.
Yeah, it would be.
For me too.
Okay.
Okay, because would number 3 be is number 3 C for you?
Okay, which one's 3?
Sorry, let me do that
For
one
me,
because I
C.
think that's number 6. Hold on. Number 6. Okay. Yeah, I think that's right. Okay, so hold on. What about, so R equals 0.95. So positive.
Okay, that would be B as in boy for me.
Yeah.
Okay. I think that's right. Yeah, because there are only two that go positive, right? So number 2.
Yeah.
It's number 2 for me. And then 1 is, so R equals 1 is A.
Right.
Yes.
Okay.
I think they're just in a different order.
I think so too.
Yeah. Okay, everybody good with those?
I'm okay.
Yeah.
Hold on. So R equals 0 would be,
See?
See.
yeah, let's see.
Yeah, that's what I had.
Yeah.
It's
Which
just,
is number 3 for me. Ah,
yeah.
my computer's going all over the place. Okay, so that's number 3. Okay. And then the next one, number is R equals negative 0.95. Is that E?
Yeah, that's what I
Three.
had.
Okay. I think that was the last one I had.
Okay. Yeah, mine are a little, I think they just put a different order in there for all of us.
They did.
Dirty guys.
I know. Rascals. Really trying to switch it up on us.
Yeah. See if we're paying attention.
All right, so Kelly, what's a correlation coefficient for that number 9?
0.728.
Seven to eight.
Yeah, that's what I had,
Point-
0.728.
Yeah, 0.728.
Okay.
So does it go negative or so it goes positive, duh?
Positive and strong, no?
Yeah.
That would still could be considered strong, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
I would think
But it's
so.
not weak. We know that.
Yeah, because weak would be close to 0, so
Right.
Yeah.
I think that's all of them, isn't it?
That's it.
Yep.
Now let's see if I didn't mix any of these ones up that screwed me up here. Let's see. $14 out of 14.
Yeah.
All right. Good job.
Good work, guys. So I was reading through. We turn in the data collection this week, and then the inference and is it action
Right.
next week? And then the following week is the PowerPoint. And Enrique, that's just collecting all of our stuff together and making it look nice.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm going to start this week.
Yeah, that's tying everything up. So what you could do, what I could do is send you the copy of mine over, the one I actually got approved, which is pretty close to what I sent last time, but I could send that to everybody. And then Bob, you could send that over. We'll look at it, and then the one you sent over, we'll so Enrique could just start plugging those in.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we could get that going as we go. How did you guys do on your exam before Thanksgiving?
I don't want to talk about it.
Kelly. Kelly, you say that every time.
I know. Every time I just can't break into the 90s.
Dude,
I get so mad.
you know what? I've taken enough math classes that I am so pleased with myself being in the 80s. As tickled pink about it. Yeah, I think I ended up getting like 85 on it.
I got close
think
enough.
I was 83.
I got close
What was
enough.
that?
I could look at the 90s, but that I still couldn't break it.
I broke the 90s on the first one. That was my claim to fame on that one. That was it. Yeah, that test took me like 3 hours to take. It kicked my butt.
Yeah. I would have done way better, but I could not, like, I don't know if it was the wording or what, but questions 20 and 21, because they were tied together, I couldn't figure it out. I didn't even put an answer.
I'm trying to remember what that was.
Okay,
Yeah,
give me just a second here. I'm going to stop the broadcast.